Welcome to our video tutorial on optimizing your computer's performance by cleaning up unnecessary files in the prefetch, %temp, and temp folders. Follow these simple steps to help your computer run smoothly. Step 1. Go to the Start menu and right-click. Then, choose Run. On-screen action, demonstrating the process. Step 2. In the Run dialog, type Prefetch and press Enter. This will open the Prefetch folder. Delete all unnecessary files here. On-screen action, demonstrating the process. Step 3. Now, let's clean the temp folder. Again, go to the Start menu, right-click, and choose Run. On-screen action, demonstrating the process. Step 4. In the Run dialog, type Temp and press Enter. This opens the temp folder. Delete all unnecessary files in this folder. On-screen action, demonstrating the process. Step 5. Lastly, we'll tackle the temp folder. Just like before, go to the Start menu, right-click, and choose Run. On-screen action, demonstrating the process. Step 6. In the Run dialog, type Temp and press Enter. Delete all unnecessary files in the temp folder. On-screen action, demonstrating the process. Step 7. Don't forget to visit your recycle bin and permanently delete all the files you removed from the prefetch, .temp, and temp folders. On-screen action, demonstrating the process. By following these steps, you can help your computer operate more efficiently. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful videos.